I'm going to show you two ways to find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows computer. The first method is Tool Settings. Click the Start menu and open Settings. On the left panel, click Network and Internet. On the right, click Wi-Fi. Then choose the network labeled Connected. Tap Show located next to the Wi-Fi network password field. You will see your Wi-Fi password appear. Alongside a barcode, you can scan or share with friends. Super handy for guests or quick device setup. For the second method, tap Network in the search bar. Select View Network Connection. Double-click your Wi-Fi connection. Then select Wireless Properties. Open the Security tab and check the box next to Show Characters. You will see your Wi-Fi password in the Network Security key box. That's how you find your Wi-Fi password on Windows PC. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips.